Hello, I'm back in traffic. Anyway, so today I just want to share with you my feedback on this brand new tire that I've been testing. I've been using for the last one month and a half or so. Continental Sportcontact 7, the latest Sportcontact editions, or they call it SC7. This tire is rated UUHP. If you're wondering what UUHP is ultra high performance type of tire. So basically the compound of this tire is pretty soft, because that is why the rotations, I do care about the rotation of the tire, because it's quite annoying when you're driving, especially I drive a lot on the long journey. If you sometimes I don't want to hear to the noise of the music or the radio. I just want to enjoy purely of my engine noise, but I don't want to listen to my tire noise. But anyway, SC7 tire noise 5-star. Other than that, what I noticed, the grip is the grip is really good. I like it because what I know, Continental use what they call it, black chili compound. So I can feel the compound is really soft. I mean, one of the softest I ever tried. You can tell the grip, especially on hot condition or dry condition, is amazing. I love and how sharp I can steer my steering. This is E46 M3, so the it's kind of tail happy, but with this tire I get a lot of grip. Even though I try to do some donuts, that the soft compound black chili won't allow me easily, but it can happen. Anyway, few days ago, me and few friends had a drive to one of the mountain that we call it Genting Highlands. So we go through Genting Highlands and Uluyam, another twisty roads surrounded by jungle. So we move early, around before 6, because we chasing the sunrise. So the road is kinda wet. Malaysia morning is always wet. So but this tire get up into temperature pretty quick, so the grip is there even though in the wet. So which another point that I love. And then other than that, I just like how predictable this tire is. This M3 E46, why I like it? Because it's kinda unpredictable sometimes, because it's a rear wheel drive, and the way I set up, I put -3 up front and -1.5 on the rear. So I like how the car is a bit tail happy, because I like to do some turns, quick turns, donuts, drifting, sliding, power slide, whatever. But on this tire, even though when I'm during my slides, I can predict that I'm out of control, but sometimes it's still in control. Other than that, I just love the braking. The compound is soft, so my braking is better. I have more confidence to attack the corner and then lead braking of the bit. And the sidewall is stronger. I did hit some curb on when I try to turn but I show you after this. And overall, as you can tell, me driving this car inside my little car, M3 E46 is kind of little compared to the new M4 M3, but the noise, the experience is good. It's easy to drive, it's predictable, it go up into temperature pretty quick. The compound is soft, the grip is there, wet, dry, cold, and I just love it. So for now, let's check out how I put my camera outside, so you can check out my rolling actions. I like looking at the tire, because the tire designed the tread. You should see the tread. The tread is good looking. Alright, let's check it out. Bam. Well, that was some fun in the sun. Good rubber. I'm happy. The performance is great. It's really hot today though, but check out the track. I love it. This is where they kick off all the wet or the rain that you went through. Then the track is pretty nice. The sidewall is pretty nice. But the last thing before we move on, and then I need to go home now, I want to show you something happened just now. When I turned a little bit sharp around the corner, I hit something. But it's amazing thing about this Continental SC7 Sportcontact 7 that I like the most, because this is one of the reasons why I'm looking forward to this tire. Come here. All right, here is it. I hate this when it happened, but one thing good about this tire, my BBS CHR got pretty bad, but nothing wrong with the sidewall. Good stuff. I mean, I'm not happy that my wheel is scratched pretty bad now, but I'm pretty happy that Continental SC7 Sportcontact 7, the sidewall is way stronger than Primet. All my previous tires that I've been used. Kudos on that one. This is really solving my world problem. Thank you, Continental. All right, that's all for today. It's really hot today, so I would like to go home. But anyway, my honest review overall for using this for a month and a half now, I, I love it. I love the look, I love the design, I love the performance, I love the handling, I love the noise that now it's not so loud anymore. I love it how it react in the wet. I love the braking. My braking, I have more confidence on my braking. I'm using Brembo GT with Endless MX72 brake pads. Its racing brake pad is kind of strong, but it feels better with this tire. But the most important thing that I'm really happy, I'm not happy that I scratched my wheels BBS CHR today, but I'm very happy that my sidewall is way stronger. It's nothing, it's like untouched, it's still like new. So I've been using this car for almost 10 years. I've been using a lot of tire, German, China, Korea, Indonesia. What else? What tire? American tire? No, I never use American tires. But this is the best. All I'm talking about all-rounder. I tried some semi-slick, slick tires on this car previously, but I always prefer all-rounder tire because Malaysia weather is really weird. Today is hot, 10 minutes later it might be thunderstorm. So but this tire solve most of the problems. You can use it any time of the day, at night, at cold, when early morning, when the Malaysia road is kind of cool in the morning. So it works. So thank you, Continental, for supplying me the amazing Sportcontact 7. I really enjoyed, and I'm really happy with the performance. It solved a lot of my annoying experience with tire previously. So thank you, and I so love you. Ciao.